Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love with Ethna. Today I am here to show you my another recipe that is Szechuan chicken. Here I have taken 700 grams of chicken and the chicken is cutting in very small size. Very small size because here I am not using any water, so that is why you have to chop your chicken in a very small size, otherwise they need some water. Here I have taken, here I have roughly chopped the onions and the ginger and garlic. I will paste it off separately. Okay, and this is onion. Right now I am frying this onion. After that I will be adding this paste. So let's start the Szechuan chicken. Here I have taken Emami healthy and tasty rice bran oil because I would like to prefer my cooking in rice bran oil. In some fishes I will definitely go for mustard oil. Otherwise each and every vegetables curry I will prefer Emami healthy and tasty rice bran oil. Now I am adding the onions. Here I am not using any foron because foron is not required for Szechuan chicken. Foron means you do not need any cumin seeds, any pach foron or cinnamon stick, clove. You don't require here. You definitely need some chilies, but here right now I am not adding any chilies, but at this stage you please adding chilies because of my baby. I am using chilies just bit later, okay, or may not be because it is depending upon the taste. As it is a Szechuan chicken, it is itself very spicy, so you may not be using, there is no need of using any chilies. If you want, you can add. At this stage you can see some golden brown comes out, the color of the onion. At this stage I am adding the chicken because I would like to fry it off with this onion. Right now I am increasing the flame of the gas, but after frying I have to decrease the flame because for preparing this type of recipe it is required not to use any water, so that the taste comes from the chicken. So I would like to first of all fry it off with this onion, then only I will be adding this ginger and garlic paste. So till then I have to stir it off so that the color of the chicken turns white and the color of the onion turns brown. Then now at this stage you can see the color of the chicken is turns white. So right now I am adding this ginger and garlic paste, and stir it well, and after stirring I will be cover it off with a lid because you can see after given salt, yes I am adding salt here. You can see the water base, you can see the water base, the water comes out from the chicken. So now right now I am decreasing the flame and cover it off with a lid. Friends, here you can see The oil comes out and the chicken properly cooked. Let's see properly cooked or not. Yes, you can see. Yes, properly cooked. Now here I am adding some cumin powder. There is no need of any for adding any cumin powder, but here I am adding cumin powder because I love to the smell, the fragrance and the taste. It is enhancing the taste, so that is why here I am using cumin powder as well as some sugar. So friends, here you can see I have already used some sugar, very little pinch of, and just 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. While I am doing chili chicken, here also I am using this cumin powder. I am very like to have the cumin powder in any type of dishes, especially in Chinese dishes. I always prefer to use some cumin powder. So now here I am using some little bit of sauces like the soya sauce or soybean sauce. This is sauce, this soya sauce I'll be using, and definitely some ketchup. Now I have using, this is soya sauce. According to the taste I am using. I am not using any chilies over here because definitely of my baby, and also because it is Szechuan chicken, I will be adding some Szechuan sauce. So that is why Szechuan sauce itself a very spicy and tikha. So I'm not using any chilies over here. Here I am using some ketchup. Now mix it well with this ketchup. Yes. 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 Oh, lovely. Lovely looking, lovely. They looks lovely. Now I'm adding the most awaiting. This is Szechuan chutney. This is Szechuan chutney from Ching's. I'll be showing you the bottle. The bottle I'm using. So this is the Ching's Szechuan chutney. Very nice to eat. You can add any type of fried rice, okay, in your chow mein. They are very nice. And one recipe I will definitely show you by the help of this type of chutney. Okay, this is actually the Szechuan chicken. Please tell me how it is, because here I am stop cooking because it has already done. There is no need of overcooking. Yes, so friends, please tell me how it is. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you're finding something wrong, then please also let me know. So here I am stopping my cooking here. So please share this recipe. If you love this channel, please keep on loving me. So till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.